I'm not a cow. Vote. Open. Listen, I'm gonna make you sweat, make you wet, make you wet, wet, wet. I'm gonna make you sweat, little baby, pissing in your pants of pressure.
Vault unlocked. You guys. So you remember the illegal miners that were trapped underground? Yeah. So apparently, allegedly, they have resorted to actually eating the deceased bodies that are down there. I don't know what you want to do with that information right now, because apparently, allegedly, from the 25th till the first day of the new year, time doesn't exist, right? But I just thought maybe you guys would like to know. The miners that apparently, allegedly, could have come up if they wanted to. Now it is said that they couldn't have come up even if they wanted to. So the government and everybody that's involved is involved, and they know what the hell is actually going on with them dudes down there. And apparently, they have resorted to cannibalism. Take that information and do with it what you want. What I'm saying is, desperate times call for desperate measures. Me personally, I would rather die before I eat another human. But it's giving one of those movies that we've seen before, right? Anyway, go back to your festivities.
Now, illegal miners have started eating human flesh. That's according to Sanco Northwest spokesperson Mzukisi Jam. The claims were made in Christmas Eve letters sent to the surface, claiming that more miners have died.
Yesterday, we then got letters which were coming from underground with the content which we shared. But more disturbing from the content is when they highlighted that because of the situation underground, they have now resorted on eating human flesh. That's number one. I mean, that really changes everything. You know, when a human being is that desperate to an extent that they reach the level where cannibalism kicks in, it's scary. It's a dire situation.